Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making Gujarati Kathiawadi Khichdi. We need half cup of dal and half cup of rice soaked for half an hour. I'm using urad dal here. You can use moong dal. Moong dal tastes better here. You need to soak the rice for half an hour because if you don't soak the rice and dal, it will have very much of starch in it and it will not taste good. So here I am adding a thumb length of water in our khichdi. I'll show the trick. Your base of the thumb should touch the upper part of dal and rice. And now I am adding some cloves of garlic, some smashed cloves of garlic, that is 2 to 3. It is very important to add garlic here because Kathiawadis are very specific about their garlic and red chili and all which floats on their khichdi or curry, you can say. And after that I am adding salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We need to mix this all really well with the help of the spatula. After mixing really well, we need to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now oil will prevent our khichdi, the water to come out of the vessel. Cook this on a low flame for 4 whistles. Take a kadai and heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in it. And when you see the khichdi has cooked, you need to smash it with the pav bhaji smasher or anything you have. Just smash it to a very smooth consistency. And now when you see ghee is hot enough, add a half teaspoon of sarso seeds, half teaspoon of jeera, 2 sukhi lal mirch, 2 chopped green chilies and some curry leaves. Remember, 2 chopped green chilies are optional and you need to add curry leaves because it will give a very nice taste to our khichdi. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. These are coarsely ground, it is not complete a paste here. All this really well till the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. And now it's a time to add 2 chopped onions to it. Saute these onions till they become translucent. We don't need to make our onions brown in this recipe. I forgot to mention, it is very important to have the green dal, which has a slit green dal, you can say. It can be green slit urad dal or green slit moong dal. Now once you see the onions have turned translucent, add 2 finely chopped tomatoes to it. And as soon as we add tomato, we need to add salt in it. Remember, we have added salt in our khichdi also, so be specific about salt here. Adding salt will make sure that tomatoes cook really well and fast. Now when you see the tomatoes are mushy, add Kashmiri red chili powder, that is 1 teaspoon. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix this all really well till everything is well combined. Now it's a time to add half teaspoon of garam masala. You can add any masala you want. Cook this masala mixture till you see the oil is floating on the top. And now it's a time to add 1/4 cup of water to this mixture. We need to boil this mixture really well. And when you see there's a boil in the mixture, it's time to add a smashed rice and dal to it. Add in batches, don't add it at once because it will be very hard to mix the rice and dal in the masala mixture. Add one by one. Add and then mix, add and then mix. When you're done adding all the rice and dal in the masala, now add some chopped coriander and simmer it for 5 more minutes. And tada! Our Kathiawadi khichdi is ready. Please let me know how do you like this recipe. Enjoy, you guys.